In this particular problem, a car of mass m starts moving so that its velocity varies with according to the law v is equal to beta root s. This is how velocity varies with displacement, where beta is a constant and s is the distance covered. Now the total work performed by all the forces which are acting on the car during the first t seconds after the beginning of motion has to be found. So velocity as a function of distance traveled is given. V is nothing but ds by dt, that is equal to beta root s, or ds by root s is equal to beta dt. So starting from 0 to s, it takes a time 0 to t. So here from we can write h to the power minus of plus 1 by minus of plus 1 is equal to beta t, or we have 2 root s is equal to beta t, or s is equal to half beta square t square. Not half but 1 by 4 beta square t square. This is the distance traveled as a function of time. Now here from we can have acceleration of the car to be v dv by ds, that is v is beta root s into dds of beta root s, or we have beta root s into beta into h to the power half minus 1 into half, that is equal to 1 by 2 beta square root s into 1 by root s, or half beta square. This is acceleration. So force on the car is mass into acceleration, that is half m beta square. This is the amount of force acting on that car. So work done is equal to force into displacement, that is half m beta square into 1/4 beta square t square, or work done as a function of time 1 by m for 8 m beta to the power 4 t square. This is the amount of work done, and the correct option is A.